Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the lesson Power of Monomials. In this part, we will solve more problems related to power of monomials. Let's start. Here in this question, they ask us to select the expressions equivalent to this algebraic expression. What we're gonna do, we're gonna simplify this algebraic expression. In this question, we're gonna select expressions equivalent to this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simplify it. First, we're gonna distribute the exponent for all what is inside the parentheses for the m and the k and the negative 2/5. Remember, we said in case of power to a power, we're gonna multiply the exponents. And here, for the negative 2/5, since there is no number written in the exponent, it means that the exponent is 1. So, after distributing the exponent, we're gonna have negative 2/5 raised to the third power. 3 times 1 is 3. Now for the k, 3 times 5 is 15. Now for the m, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. Now let's try to simplify it more. Look at the fraction. We have negative 2/5 raised to the third power, which means that we're going to multiply the negative 2/5 by itself 3 times. Let's do the sign first. Negative times negative times negative. Negative times negative is positive. Positive times negative is negative. One more time. We said in the previous video that if the exponent is odd, we're going to still have a negative answer. So the answer will be minus 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Negative 8 over 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. This fraction is equivalent to negative 8 out of 125. So this one is the correct answer. Also, we can write this as 2 cube, negative 2 cube over 5 cube. 125, it's 1. It's 125 is 5 cube and 8 is 2 cube. Or from here, you can distribute the exponent to the numerator and for the denominator. Anyway, this will be the second correct answer. Another example. Let's try to simplify this algebraic expression. First, we're going to distribute the exponent for all what is inside the parentheses. Remember, we said that in the previous lesson, if the exponent is even, the answer will be positive, always. So we're going to remove the negative sign. If there is no number in the exponent, it means that the exponent is 1. Let's multiply. For the 3, 4 times 1 is 4. For the x, 4 times 1 is 4. For the y, 4 times 2 is 8. Divided by negative 9 x squared y to the power 8. Still, we can simplify. Y to the power 8 divided by itself is 1. Now for the x, in case of division and the bases are similar, we're going to subtract the exponent. So 4 minus 2 is 2. We're going to have x raised to the second power. Now for the constant, we have 3 to the fourth power divided by negative 9. 3 to the fourth power, this is 3 times 3 4 times, which is equal to 81. This is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 4 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 also is 9. So we're going to have 9 times 9, which is 81. So we're going to have 81 divided by negative 9. We can simplify it more. 81 divided by negative 9 is negative 9x squared. That's it. And if the question asks us to write it in the exponent form, we can write this as negative 3 squared times x squared. Let's have another example. In this question, they ask us to write the expression for the volume of the cube given the side length. Remember, in the cube, length is equal to the width equal to the height. All the side lengths are the same. So the formula of the volume for any cube is side cube. Let's substitute. We have a side length of 0.1 x y squared. This we're gonna multiply it by itself 3 times. Distribute the exponent for all what is inside the parentheses. If there is no number in the exponent, it means that the exponent is 1. We're gonna have 0.1 cube times x cube times 3 times 2 is 6. Y to the power 6. We can simplify this. 0.1 cube. 0.1 cube, it means 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1. When you multiply decimals, just remove the decimal point, multiply, then put the decimal point back again. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. We have 3 decimal parts, so we're going to count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to have the decimal point. And in the empty spaces, put 0. So this is equal to 0.01 x cube y to the power 6. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe